Okay, so for cosine rule, there is only one formula, and the formula is given. So I told you, what is important is being able to know which of your side is A, which of your side is B, which angle is the angle A. Then for part B, quite easy, right? There is only one angle. You don't have a corresponding pair, the angle and the opposite side. The opposite side is what you don't know. So you cannot use sine rule, you can only use cosine rule. Then when you are using cosine rule, only one angle. So this angle must be your big A. And then the opposite side, this x must be your A, small a. The relationship between your big A and your small a is they are opposite each other. So your x must be the A. Then the other two sides, they are the B and the C lor. And B and C never mind one. Which one B, which one C, never mind. So using this equation, this formula, you can put in already. My small a is my x. My B is any of the sides. My C is the other side. Then I just put in my values. Substitution. Okay? Then calculator. You must go and practice also. Keying in all these values, make sure you are able to key in them correctly. Tell the calculator to do the thing that you want it to do. So don't just wait for the answer, go and key in also. So x squared is equals to 372.6634. In between, when you are going through your working, you can leave a bit more decimal, leave a bit more significant figure. Then your answer come out will be more accurate. X squared is like that. If I want x, I have to square root both sides, so that my square root and my square cancel each other. Okay? So that my x squared can become x. Then I will know what is x when I square root right hand side also. $19.304 or roughly 19.3. Like that only. The unit is in cm, so cm. Okay, Ken? So those who say difficult one, the difficult part is just identifying where is A, where is B, where is C. Then what is the angle, what is the big A. Okay? Or else this one is given. First page of your question paper, it will be given. Okay, those a bit faster and haven't finished one. Try to be.
Once you're done, show me, then you all can sit down.
Oh. Great Singapore sale. One question can sit down already.
Oh, not one question,
Huh?
but I'll show us do a few questions.
Oh.
Maybe you faster, maybe you're faster than Mr. Ong.
Yeah. Oh.
Right. If you're faster, then you show me you're faster, then you can sit down. But if not, then you wait for me after, then you continue.
Hey, Braden. How come you already seated down? Madam Leong say 3 questions. 2 ah? Oh, 2 ah. Okay, same ah. Let me write down the formula that you will be given. A square equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cosine A. Then, it is about identifying the sides. In this case, we want to find this angle. So again, there is no pair of angle and side that we know. No right angle, cannot use tuakaso. No pair that we know, cannot use sine rule. So only can use cosine rule. When you know the 3 sides, you don't know any angle, then your only choice is cosine rule. Okay? So we want to find theta. The only angle here, actually I can find any angle, just that where I put them. So if I want to find angle theta, I will put theta as my A, big A. Then 13 must be my small a. It is the naming that is important. If I put the different lengths at the different place, I will find the different angle. So to find this angle, when this is my big A, the only small a is 13. I can only put 13 here. Okay? So it's the positioning that is important. So I will put in my 13 equals to 10.9 square plus 8.8 square minus 2. Then again my B and C is important. I cannot put 13 among here because it's B and C. So I must put 10.9 and 8.8. Okay? Then just simplify your answer a bit first. 13 square, 169. 10.9 square plus 8.8 square equals to 196.25. 2 times 10.9 times 8.8 minus 191.84 multiply cosine A. Then this part of the algebraic manipulation, students always make mistake because they move 2 things at the same time. Okay? So, don't move 2 things at the same time. If I move number, I don't move this cosine A. Okay? If I move cosine A, I don't move the other number. Or else sometimes you switch left and right and move at the same time, then you'll make mistake. So for me, I will just minus or move this 196.25 first. Just move this across to the left. Do one thing enough already. So the left got 169. Then now I move my 196, it will become negative. Then my right hand side, this one gone. I still have this entire term with cosine A. And the minus belongs to this term. So it must still be a minus 191.84 cosine A. Simplify first. Whenever we can simplify, we simplify. Something times something. So if I want to continue, I divide both sides by negative 191.84. Okay? Just like if I have 2 cosine A, I only want cosine A, I will divide here by 2 also. So now it's divide. Then again, I don't need to look very smart and then skip step lah. Just divide lor. Put my negative here, divide this whole thing. Then I have my cosine A already. Okay, my calculator actually put 25 over 176. Then from here, up to you. You can switch your left and the right. So when we switch, we don't change the sign. Left the same as right is the same as right is the same as left. Okay? Looks neater than my unknown is on the left. Then I want to find back the angle. The cosine of this angle is 25 over 176. I want to find the angle. I will cosine inverse. So that cosine inverse, remove this cosine, then I can find back the angle. Ugh. 81.83 or roughly 81.8 degrees. Okay. Okay, if you have finished copying, listen up. So if I change the position, I change the A, B, and C, the location. If I put 10.9 here, then I put 13 here, 8.8 here, 13 here, 8.8 here, I will also be able to find an angle. But then, I will not be finding theta. I will, this time, if I put 10.9 here, I will be finding this angle Y. If I put 10.9 as the A. Okay? If I put 8.8 as the A, I will be finding this angle X. Opposite. So that is where your naming is important. A and A, always opposite. Okay? In your exam, cosine rule come out. When it comes out, it's usually like question 1, question 2, like that one. Very straightforward. They seldom combine cosine rule with a few other triangles. So if you are able to identify and substitute in, you are good. Okay, can we move on? Can Okay, for question 3. Usually don't come out like that, but it's good for your practice. So ask you to do. Following triangle ABC, find the length of BC. So you need to do a sketch on your own first. At least for me, I need a sketch, or else I cannot visualize. So your ABC, you can anyhow draw. Okay? So ABC. I just need it to give me the location only. Then here is 13, here is 15, here is 40. So with this sketch, you can know already, angle and side don't have. Cannot use sine rule. Only way is to cosine rule. Then cosine rule, how to put the naming? That is the challenge in all this cosine rule problem. A square equals to B square plus C square minus 2BC cosine A. So I must be able to recognize my big A is 40. That means my BC is my small a, my opposite. Okay? So in this case, it will be better if we give it a name. Just call it A lor. Because just now is opposite our big A. Then call it small a lor. The naming. Can? Then use your formula. A square equals to 13 square plus 15 square minus 2 times 13, 15 cosine 40. Then it's just keying in calculator. The challenge is the identifying only. Where is A, where is B, where is C, where is big A. So A square is 95.24267. A will be square root of this number. Any problem? Any question? Don't have, I continue to sketch the next one. So for the next one, the triangle ABC, AB is 6.7, AC is 9.2, BAC is 112. Then same. This one is part B. Then just same put in the values. A will be here. I want to find BC. Just nice.
Today don't have fun. This week. Yeah. 3, 3, 3, 4. I give you the balance and the dark. Have you finished all your WA? What is it today? After school, right? Not now, right? No? From now until 10:20, I see anybody without nice practice. I will confiscate and I'll tell you. I need to complete this time, give you a 0 character. You want the damage? I give you 5 minutes.
Okay, those who are done, listen. Do you all still remember your cosine 112 is a obtuse angle. 112 is an obtuse angle, so your cosine will be a negative number. So actually when we key inside calculator, we don't need to care. But in the actual case, this whole thing will become a plus. At first it's 6.7 square plus 9.2 square minus this thing. But because your cosine 112 is a negative number, in the end this whole thing will become negative, become a plus. So if you are doing it step by step, your calculation, press one thing by one thing, then you may have to take note. Otherwise, you just key in this whole thing correctly, you should get your correct answer. Okay, Ken? Not difficult, right? Once you are able to identify A, B, C angle, okay, everyone look up. Hello. Okay, please put down your pen. Here, look up first. Hello. Okay, there is one important point here. We are finding the size of the smallest angle. Okay? And then remember when I first introduced triangle, I talked about angles and side, the relationship. So the smallest angle must be opposite the shortest side. They may not draw to scale for you. So you cannot go and see this angle small, then you know it's this one. You must know yourself. Shortest side, opposite will be the shortest angle. Okay? Triangles. The bigger the angle, the larger the opposite side. So when they talk about smallest angle, you must find the shortest side. Then you know, actually you are finding angle Q. Okay? Then when I look at this one, almost all look the same. Then I must know, shortest side is 10.3, so I am finding angle Q. Okay? Don't go by how the angle look. Go by the sides. So there is only one angle that they want you to find, and that is angle Q. Because it's opposite the shortest side. Shortest side opposite means smallest angle. Okay? So I am finding angle Q. So when I use my formula, sorry, I write wrongly. I wanted to write Q. So if I want to find angle Q, 5.2 is my A because it's opposite angle Q. Yes.
Chapter 7 is not textile, right?
No.
Wow, I didn't know that you can have a dinner at 0 1. Where is the zero now? Ini tayo ah. Actually, tayo. Ini not sound ah. He's not your friend ah. So let's get more friends. Hey, you're given time to do ah.
Okay, part B is exactly the same. Go try on your own. Identify shortest side, opposite means shortest, smallest angle. Then fill in your A and the B and the C. Can? But why inside your ear got something? I can see through your head because your head is empty.
Okay, now like I said, right, the formulas are all given. You don't need to memorize it, but you need to practice and try.
Zoom in. Wow, like that we almost come to the end of the book already. Yeah. Kai Xuan done or not? Okay. You all should be able to do yourself, just check. Most of the time is your sign is wrong. During this part, if your sign is wrong, then end up your answer will be wrong. Check that your plus minus is correct. Okay. Those who are faster can try question next 5. 5, right? Okay, Ken. Question 5. Okay, again I will start with a sketch to help myself visualize. AB is 9, BC is 6. Question 5. Okay? After I sketch this triangle, I don't know any angles. But with cosine rule, I can find the angles. Just that I need to put the naming correctly. And if I want A, B, C, meaning I want here, I want angle B. Then when I use my formula, okay, this one important. Don't because here is B, then this one is small b, then I go and put this 7 into the B. I must know I am finding this angle. Then this angle it should be my A already, big A. Then my small a here must be the opposite of this big B. So I can only put this 7 in the A. Okay? This is the important part of this question. Huh? I label already. So when I compare to my formula, this B is where I want to find. So using the formula, when I want to find angle, this one is A. So I will put it in the bracket. This is A. And my 7 must be my small a. Okay? Good suggestion by Jaden. Then my 9 and 6 are my B and C. Which one is B, which one is C doesn't matter. Okay? Important is the A. A is in a different position than your B and C. So I must know this angle, then this one must be my A. Ugh. Okay, so use your cosine rule, you should get this angle is 51. After you get this angle is 51, when I want to find the area, I don't have 90 degrees. So my option will be half AB sine C. Then half AB sine C, I must be able to know that C is the sandwich angle, the V shape, the angle at the sandwich. Then my AB must be these two sides. Okay? So when I'm finding the area, I must look for this one. This blue color one. Blue color cannot see, yellow. My half AB sine C. This is my A, this is my B, this is my C. Okay? When I'm using my half AB sine C. Yes, I snore very loudly one. Yes. No, I live with my parents. Then holiday go with my friends, stay together, they will complain one. But my friends also snore. So we must fight who sleep first. If we sleep first, we cannot hear already. Huh? Blanket party. Aya, happy times always pass so fast. How I wish we can do 2 hours math, 3 hours math. Okay, Thursday, anyone want to stay back? ASR. Hey, Thursday holiday. Hey, that's school holiday every day come back. Anyway, I will send inside the Google Classroom. During the 1 week holiday, we arrange time, come back. Not in Singapore. Now everyone so rich one, walao.